Everyone. In this lesson, we'll be covering the easy rated Hackerrank question electronics shop. Pretty simple question, but as usual, first things first, let's dive into the problem and understand what it's asking, as well as what we are provided. So we are provided three different things: B, which is an integer, and then a keyboards array and a drives array. Basically, this question is asking how many combos are there of keyboards, one keyboard and one drive each? How many combos are there that fall underneath this price range? So say each of these were a dollar amount. Keyboards were either $40, $50, or $60, and drives were either $5, $8, or $12. How many combos are possible that are under the dollar value of 60? And then I'm pretty sure it's asking us to choose the most expensive one. Yeah, so you want to spend the most amount of money, but not go over 60. We're playing Price is Right rules. Okay, so pretty simple code. Let's head over to Replit and start to get to work. So pretty simple. What do we want to do? We want to add our keyboards and our drives, and if our keyboard and drive combo cost less than $60, we'll probably want to store that somewhere. We'll store that in an array, and then we'll go through that array and we'll pick the most expensive one, because we'll only put anything in that array if it costs less than $60. So let's first create an array called totals, which will be the total cost of the pair, the keyboard plus the drive. And we'll have to write two loops here. So first loop will be for keyboard in keyboards, and then the interior loop will be for drive in drives. And then we get to a conditional statement. And like I said, if it costs less than $60, if the keyboard and drive combo costs less than $60, we will append it to our totals array. So very simply written, that is totals.append. Oh, sorry, I skipped the conditional statement line. If keyboard plus drive is less than or equal to B, because B is the value, B is the budget, and we'll hit our colon, indent our totals.append, and we will then totals.append keyboard plus drive. Okay, so we've got a typo in keyboard. Okay, so that is the code to get totals set up. Let's go ahead and print totals to make sure our code is operating. All right, there's an array of all of the pairs that cost less than $60. So from there, we want to return the most expensive pair, which would be the $58 combo. But there is one caveat. In the Hackerrank instructions, it says that the maximum... Okay, sorry, that the algorithm will return the maximum that can be spent, or if it's not possible to buy both items, meaning all the combos cost more than your budget, it wants you to return the value of -1. So let's make a conditional statement. If the length of totals is less than 1, we'll return -1. So hopefully you follow that pretty simply. That is saying that if there are no combos that cost less than the budget, totals won't have any items in it. So the length of totals will be 0. So if the length of totals is less than 1, that satisfies that condition, we'll return -1. And there's our condition. Here's our second condition, if, or you can just do else actually. Else return max totals. And we will go ahead and copy and paste this into Hackerrank. Get it all formatted. And test it out. There you go. It passes both sample test cases. Let's go ahead and submit it. Test it against all test cases, and there you go. That checks out. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. If you have a better way to do it as well, also drop that below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and hit subscribe. I'll be posting these lessons frequently. Thanks for watching.